Welcome to our channel. Activating your loyalty card at the store counter is a simple process that starts earning you rewards and discounts. Step 1. Visit the customer service counter or checkout lane at the retail store where you received or purchased your loyalty card. Step 2. Inform the store associate that you'd like to activate a new loyalty card or sign up for the loyalty program. Step 3. Provide the associate with your loyalty card if you already have one, or ask for a new card if you haven't received one yet. Step 4. Share the required personal information for registration, which typically includes your name, phone number, and email address. Step 5. Provide your mailing address if the store requests it for sending promotional offers and reward updates. Step 6. The store associate will enter your information into their computer system and link it to your loyalty card number. Step 7. Create a PIN for your loyalty account if the store requires one for security purposes. Step 8. Review any terms and conditions of the loyalty program and ask questions about how to earn and redeem rewards. Step 9. The associate will confirm your card is active and may provide information about current promotions or sign-up bonuses. Step 10. Keep your loyalty card in your wallet and present it at every purchase to earn points, discounts, and exclusive offers. Your loyalty card is now active and helping you save money on future shopping trips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.